This video 6 speaks to the facility management of buildings and complexes. It describes facility management skills, a discipline which deals with the operation and maintenance of all types of buildings utilized by people in general. The facility manager is ultimately responsible for the facility mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and lighting systems. The facility manager is also responsible for the cleaning, decorating, groundskeeping, elevators, and security for the building. Some of the work may be performed by in-house maintenance personnel, but much is performed by outside contractors. In today's world, many of these maintenance requisites are scheduled or even operated by building automation systems. The outsourcing and pricing of outside contracts is the ultimate responsibility of the managers, as is the budgeting for in-house personnel. Facility Management Online states that although similar to property management, it's not quite the same. Facility managers are primarily involved in the operating and maintenance of the building, while the property manager must also deal with leasing and marketing activities. The facility manager is responsible for caring for the tenant needs after the property management has brought the tenant to the building. The FM must face a major challenge in today's world, and that is minimizing energy use in the facility and carbon emissions from the building, which will hopefully reduce operating costs. And reducing operating costs is only meaningful if comfortable building ambient conditions are maintained. He has many considerations and responsibilities. Is the building clean? Is waste removed on a daily basis? Are occupied health and safety guidelines adhered to? Is there acceptable hazardous material compliance in the building? Concerning the building mechanical systems, are the building HVAC systems maintaining acceptable ambient conditions? Is building indoor air quality being maintained? Are preventive maintenance programs being done on a scheduled basis? Is the elevator maintenance being done on a scheduled basis? Is there a program of predictive maintenance in place? This is not in place in many facilities as it is quite expensive. Concerning building power systems, are there preventive maintenance programs in effect for electrical substations, switchgear, emergency power, uninterruptible power supply, and standby generators? Life and safety systems to be considered. Are sprinkler systems inspected and tested as decreed by local authorities? Are smoke and fire detection systems tested as decreed by local authorities? Are fire extinguishers inspected and tagged as required? Are other fire suppression systems, such as gaseous extinguishers, FM200 and FE25, and halon systems inspected as required? Is there adequate signage for building evacuation? Are all tenants familiar with the building fire evacuation plans? Tenant space requirements. Are there floor plans showing the existing office spaces layout Are there drawings showing the furniture replacement? The facility manager will usually have an assistant facility manager. The assistant, he helps manager with jobs and other work that is too much for the manager to do himself. The assistant manager is under the direct supervision of the facility manager and is responsible to provide assistance as required and under the direction of the facility manager. This information is provided as a source of general interest for all interested parties. It may be used by human resource personnel as a base to develop job requirements for positions required to be filled within your company. It may also be used by job seekers to provide an understanding of advertised job positions and allow them to write their resume in a manner that suits the advertised or non-advertised position. This information was gathered and collected from many job posted sources, newspapers, job sections, business magazines, company websites, and the internet in general. It presents a cross section of the needs and requirements of many diverse industries, especially the building facility management, operations, and maintenance requirements. It is essential that the assistant manager be a people person with above average personnel management skills, as he is required to obtain acceptable job performance from all personality types. Not all personality types interact with each other well, and it is the assistant manager's job to ensure they work efficiently with each other. Specific duties are as directed by the facility manager and can include some or all supervision for works such as listed communications building HVAC, operations security cleaning, painting, mail services, building services, carpentry, electrical, mechanical, shipping and receiving vehicles. The assistant manager assists with the development of operating and capital budgets and ensures existing budgets are not exceeded. He or she may assist with the ongoing update of mechanical, electrical, and architectural drawings and manuals. He manages assigned projects with outside contractor. He or she helps to select outside vendors and products as required. The assistant manager also ensures customer satisfaction. Supervise all administration, financial, operational, technical, and financial staff. Ensures that all required energy, operational, and tenant reports are kept up to date. Oversees the operation of the building automation system and control of the necessary environmental and energy systems. Oversees the delivery of major and minor capital projects within the facility. Is responsible for short, mid, and long-term asset management planning. The assistant manager is also aware of and monitors key performance indicators and expectations. They are responsible for life safety and health programs in the facility. Also responsible for the budgeting for all departments. The qualifications necessary for an assistant manager are: have a degree in a recognized engineering discipline or diploma from a recognized institution or program which provides a BPMA and or IFMA designation. It is desirable that this person is a take charge type with recognized leadership qualities. They must have a record of excellence in team management, must be able to obtain security clearance from designated organizations, must have excellent people skills, exhibiting tact, diplomacy, and leadership with skills, and be able to cope in stressful situations. This is about everything the assistant facility manager does.